Hi, my name is Carl Young. This is Truck Smart Isuzu, and I'm here to talk to you about this 2020 Isuzu NPR HD Landscape Dump. It has a 6.6 liter GM V8 making 350 horsepower gas engine. It has a 14,500 pound gross vehicle weight. Thanks to the aluminum body's lightweight construction, you have nearly a 9,000 pound payload capacity with this truck. This truck also has an Icon 60-inch high I-Pack for tool and other storage. Inside, the truck is well equipped. Power steering, power brakes, anti-lock brakes, air conditioning, power windows, power door locks, cruise control, tilt and telescopic steering column. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Also comes with a backup camera and a trailer brake controller. This truck can tow maximum of 6,000 pounds. This truck also comes equipped with an underbody buyer's toolbox. The 48-inch high sides are going to give you a 12.5 yard capacity. It comes with a cab shield and a retractable tarp. Truck also has a welded Pintle plate with D-rings and a 7-pin flat electric connector for your trailer hitch. Has dual swing out doors, completely aluminum body, in addition to keeping the weight down. Also will keep the rust away and make for a long-term durable truck. This aluminum body also has a curbside door, 52-inch, make it very easy for loading and unloading at the curbside. This truck was built right here at Truck Smart, and the best part about it is it's almost brand new, has less than 200 miles on it. You can reach me directly at 215-946-7221. My extension is 106. Again, my name is Carl. Thank you very much for your time. Look forward to speaking with you.